Today, I'm sharing one of the easiest desserts ever. This pie takes only 5 minutes to put together and it's perfect for unexpected guests. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how to make this super easy citrusy pie because no one needs to stress out over dessert. Make sure you stay tuned to the end to learn my favorite variations for this easy, luscious pie. And be sure to grab the full printable recipe in the video description below. So the first thing we need to do to make our orange creamsicle pie is to get the Jell-O going. So here I have a box of orange Jell-O mix. I'm just going to pour that in. Now you can use regular or sugar-free. I usually use sugar-free in these types of recipes. And for the liquid, we are going to use the juice from some mandarin oranges. So we need about a 1/4 cup of juice. There we go, we'll get that in there. Just give this a quick stir. We're going to get everything activated by popping this into the microwave for about a minute. So our Jell-O has finished heating up in the microwave. I'm just going to give it just a quick stir just to make sure there's nothing stuck to the bottom. All right. So now we are going to add a few other ingredients. First up, orange creamsicle yogurt. Any variety works. I'm using a 6-ounce container. I'm going to use 2 of them actually. And in it goes. Oh, this smells so good. I love orange. Anything orange, I love. All right, 1 down. 1 more to go. I just love a great no-bake dessert. There's nothing like it. You guys know me. I'm not fussy. I'm not fancy. But this pie is so good. You won't believe how easy it is. We're almost done. Okay. To our yogurt, we are going to add a container of thawed whipped topping. Entire thing in there. All right. And we're going to fold everything together. So to fold, it's literally you're just folding the spatula over on itself. And we're doing this because we don't want to deflate the air from the whipped topping. But we want to get everything combined, all that yogurt, all the Jell-O, and the whipped topping, and it makes this light, luscious filling. Okay, we are just about done here. So I'm going to put this aside. To our mixture, we're going to add some sliced mandarins. So from my can of mandarin oranges, I'm just going to slice them up into about thirds. We want about 1/2 cup of these. Nothing precise. I do like to save a few for garnish at the end, so if you see a couple really nice looking ones that you think would make nice garnish, just put them aside. Okay, so this looks like to be about 1/2 cup. So I'm just going to leave any of that extra juice on the board. We don't want that. We don't want our pie to be too runny. Okay, and then I just saved that last little bit of folding so we can incorporate these mandarins. That way everybody gets a little surprise when they bite in. Okay, so we're going to take our fluffy filling here and we're going to pour it into a prepared graham cracker pie crust. Now I have a great recipe for this. I'll be sure to link to it in the show notes so you can make this from scratch. I'm just using a store-bought one. But in she goes, all that luscious filling. All right. And then I'm just going to, we're not putting a topping on this, so you kind of want the top to look kind of nice. I'm just going to take that extra minute. I mean, come on, we've only put about 5 minutes into this pie. I could take an extra minute to make the top look kind of pretty. Spread it around. Nice, nice, nice. And then I'm going to take those mandarins that I reserved. We're just going to place our mandarins right on top. There we go, nice little pattern. And we're going to pop this in the refrigerator and let it set up. This is really the longest part of this dessert. Probably only needs about a half an hour or so. But like I said, company's coming, man. Just whip this up and throw it in the fridge while you welcome everybody. And by the time you're ready to sit down with a cup of coffee or tea, your pie will be ready. Just look at how light and luscious this pie is. And it only took 5 minutes to put together. Now, before we dig in, let me share some variations. You can easily change up the flavors of this pie. Simply swap the Jell-O and yogurt flavors and add in corresponding fruit. So some of my favorites are strawberry, raspberry, and lemon. But I just happened to be thinking this morning, I think I would like it as a pineapple pie too. So enough talking, let's dig into this pie. So the first slice is always the crapshoot, right? We never know how that's gonna come out. All right, the moment of truth. Ooh, just look at that. You can see how light and luscious it is. All right, I'm going for this bite here, right with the orange. Oh, this orange creamsicle pie is definitely a keeper. You won't believe how light and luscious it is. I just love my job. I really do. I have a great one. There are so many great pie recipes out there. I have an easy no-bake chocolate peanut butter pie recipe that's insanely delicious. You don't want to miss it. You could check it out here. I'll see you over there.